Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Baba Tutorials. I hope you all are doing fantastic. So guys, I have been receiving queries to create a tutorial on Vlookup. So I'm really gonna make it quick for you guys to make it understand. So I have this raw file here, some sort of data from the raw file itself, and I need to find out the age of every employee I have on this list. So I need to find out what's common in both the sheet. I see that the employee ID is there, which is the unique because the name can be the similar as well. And then when I go to the raw file, I also have the same unique IDs here. So I'm gonna take employee ID as a unique. So I'll start with the formula with equals to, like every formula starts. So you type equal to VLOOKUP and then select the common value, which is employee ID. Now you hit comma, it says lookup value which we have selected employee ID. It says table array, so we click on the comma, that means it will move to table array. Now you need to go to the raw file directly, and then this is the array we are going to select, which is the selection of the data. So you will start from the common value always, which is your employee ID, and then take it to the column what you need, which is your age. So over the age you can see it says 10C. This is the row value. This is where you need to release all the keys and then hit comma again and then type number 10, because this is where the age value is. Now you hit comma again and then type, it says true approximate match. If there is no match, then you type 0, because if there is no match, then you can bring the values which is any or 0. See, as soon as I hit entered, it brought me the age of this user. So I need it for all the users. I don't gonna use this VLOOKUP for again every time. I just double click on it. It's gonna drag the value towards it. You can also drag the formula by Control D, and then this you can see all the details of the users. We can just quickly match it by copying the employee ID of one user, paste it here. Let's see, Camilla Rogers. What is her age? 27. Let's check it on our sheet. 27. There you go. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please click on the like button. That's it, and stay safe. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.